How to change the name and profile picture of our ShortMax account. So in ShortMax there is an account where you can change the profile picture and name. How do you do it? Let's get straight to it. Alright, first you need to go to Google. Once you're on Google, select the profile. Make sure you're logged into the Google account connected to ShortMax. You can change the photo first. If you have changed it, select this Manage Google account. Now you can choose this personal info. You can change the name or directly the profile picture. Once you have saved it, after changing the name and profile picture, you need to log out first. You need to log out here, go to settings, then log out. Once you've logged out, log back in with the account whose name you've changed. Usually the name and profile picture will automatically update. That's how you do it. Subscribe if the video is useful.